Shiva. So Lord Shiva, who is said to be the king of dance, is called dancing Tandava. So this is an expression that we'll listen to this Sanskrit shloka, whose bodily movements is the entire universe. The entire universe is representing his bodily movement, whose speech is the language in this universe, whose ornaments are the moon and the stars. So let's worship him, the Lord Shiva. This shloka is especially important because it also gives us the four types of abhinaya expressions, the one that you have already seen right now, that Indian classical dance is based on. It's called Angika Abhinaya, Vachika Abhinaya, Aharya Abhinaya, and Sattvika Abhinaya. So this is in Rag, Malay, Maratham, Tal, Jati, and Tripata, and music composition Swapneswar Chakravarti, rhythm compositions Guru Dhaneshwar Swami, and dance choreography by Guru Gayatri Joshi. So artists these are the moms coming up right now. Let's get ready. Lisa Panda, Rupali Sahu, Shamuka Ratha, Namrata Verma, Richa Sethi, Seema, Abhilasha Goel, Manisha Mishra, Anusha Mishra, and Madhusmita Kuntia. Let's welcome all the moms to the stage right now. When I say that this performance was by the mom,